Hello guys, and how are you doing? So today I thought of deviating a bit from code and show you how to tag someone or how to tag a YouTuber in YouTube comments. So I was trying to figure out how it's done since starting with plus then the YouTube channel name, it doesn't work. Also the art and then the YouTube name doesn't work either. So I was trying these things, but it couldn't work. So today I'm going to show you how it can work because YouTube have disabled the art and plus, so you cannot do that anymore. So here on YouTube, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So assuming this is the video I was watching and then I pause to comment. So on this pile of comments, the easiest way to get this YouTube name or YouTube channel name is by clicking this reply, and then automatically it appears there, and then you can add your comment and then hit reply. So in case there are a lot of comments, don't worry. Your comment will appear at the bottom. It won't appear adjacent to this comment. It will appear all the way at the bottom. So thanks guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. See you next time.